Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And I just wanted to make this short video to give you the information and the update. As you know, we made it to the 10,000 subscribers benchmark. This is incredible. I could not have done it without you. I am so thankful and so grateful, and I appreciate you guys so much for being here with me and hanging in there and interacting and enjoying my videos. I cannot express to you how much joy doing these YouTube videos gives me and the added value it gives to my life. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much for being here and helping me do this. We've got a lot of road ahead of us, a lot of fun ahead of us, and I am looking forward to all of it. But to celebrate, I've got a whole bunch of stuff that I want to share with you guys. We're having a big giveaway live stream. Here are the details. I have several, I'll have to recount, bundles is what we're calling them, of giveaway items. I have bundled together a few assorted items into packaging, and we're going to give them away. This way, there is the opportunity for more than one winner, and you can enter for the things you want, and you don't have to enter for the things you don't want. None of this is going to come at a cost to you, so be mindful of that. I would never charge you for a giveaway. All of the shipping and all that good stuff will be covered by me. Now, because of that, shipping is limited to continental United States. I cannot afford to send all these packages overseas, unfortunately. I'm super sorry about it. But I'm busted and disgusted like the rest of America. So, in the description, there are going to be links to Google Forms. And each of those Google Forms will be associated with one of the bundles. And so, go down there, enter for the ones you want. They're going to be numbered. I am also going to show you a picture of the bundles here on the screen. They're also numbered, so you know which form is associated with which bundle. You'll have to kind of just zoom in and look at the picture if you want a good idea of what's in the bundle, but I did try to make sure that all of it could be seen as best as possible, so there's like nothing hidden, no surprises, things like that. There is possible that there will be more stuff added to these bundles between now and when we actually do the giveaway, but the things that you're seeing in these photos are already in the bundles. So, as far as timeline, we are going to do this in about a month. I have a slot scheduled on Saturday, May 30th, 2026 at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. So that's 11 a.m. Eastern and 8 a.m. Pacific. We're going to do a live stream here on YouTube. And during that live stream, we're going to hang out. We're going to draw 4 winners for these bundles. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it in like a random number generator to do the drawing, or if I'm going to put them on a wheel. I want to try to put them on a wheel. I tried to do that before, but I was not able to get the wheel into the recording space with the sheet and all that. But we're going to figure it out. I'm going to get it into some sort of picker, and we're going to pick winners. And possibly I may, depending on how long we want this live stream to take, actually just show you on camera like what's in the bundles, maybe. But that would require me opening them. But we'll see. We'll see. We're going to hang out. We're going to pick winners. We're going to have a good time. It's not going to be, anything crazy. In order to win, though, you do have to have entered using the form. You do have to be subscribed to my channel. And you do have to be present at the live stream. Unfortunately, if you are not at the live stream and I pick you, you're not going to be able to claim the prize and the winnings, because you're going to have to be able to respond in the chat that, hey, I'm here, all that good stuff. That way I can go ahead and designate you the winner. With the month-ish amount of time, hopefully this will give everybody enough time to not only see this video, but get your entry and then also mark your calendars so you're prepared and can be there. There's not going to be a separate like follow up or, hey, you won, do you want to claim this? This is a huge giveaway, and I'm really trying to simplify it as simple as possible so that I can go ahead and get the winners and get these packages ready to send and get them on the way to you. If you are a winner and you are able to redeem your prize, then I will also contact you via the email that you include in the Google Sheet to let you know, hey, winner, and then that your package is on the way, and I'll get you the tracking details and all that good stuff as well. Any other relevant details will be in the description as well. You do have to be 18, or at least the person entering has to be 18. So if you are not and you need to bring a representative parent, you absolutely can do that, but they will have to be here and they will have to be subscribed, all that good stuff. But everything you need to know should be in the description. Definitely just go down there, give it a quick little read. Make sure if there's anything in there that wasn't discussed in this, in case I forgot, we're all a little rusty in the brain sometimes. But I'm looking forward to it. I've been saving up some really great stuff for you guys, and I'm really hoping that you will be able to win things that you want and potentially things that you need. In the meantime, hang around, enjoy my videos, enjoy my content, interact with me, and I look forward to seeing you in the giveaway live stream.